Welcome to this brief video on how to access the deliverable Family Legacy Mission Statement within the Legacy 360 project. So from a client's individual dashboard, a few things you will note here. Here's our individual dashboard. We have just completed individual legacy defined, which you will now see as blue, showing this completed. The next gray box is to complete the Family Legacy Mission Statement. That will appear under Complete Your Next Deliverable, just like it always has before, both in your center console and your right-hand navigation for the client. So once they click on that particular deliverable, they will then see, as usual, the one-page overview that reviews why we're completing this particular deliverable. What is it? How am I completing it? And then how a family meeting, a family forum as we call them, will take this deliverable to a different level. And then at the bottom, they will access and click on completing your, click here to complete your Family Legacy Mission Statement. So then once we do that, that will take us into the Family Legacy Mission Statement. The individual legacy mission statement was 30 questions focused on the individual, obviously. This is a series of 14 questions focused on the family. Things such as, what would you like the headline to say if a newspaper article was written 20 years from now about your family? What would you like to perpetuate from that headline? What would you like to change about that headline? So we're taking the family from thinking individually, and we're moving the family to think more as a unit, how you would want the family to be perceived, what accomplishments you would want the family unit to achieve. At the bottom of these 14 questions will be a link for every family member to get into the communication hub and to have this conversation digitally. Again, the MTN Vault, the technology itself, is a form of communication that should be utilized and leveraged as well. So once this is complete, a family will have the opportunity to have a discussion in the communication hub about writing a shared family legacy mission statement. And then when you appear on the family summary, what we have done is we have pulled one of the data fields, and it happens to be that first one. If a newspaper article was written 20 years from now about your family, the headline would read. And then each individual, as you will see, will answer that question, and we will have the opportunity here to click on each of these names to see each individual's response to that particular question about the newspaper article headline. So that's how it'll appear on the family summary. And then certainly you can engage in, and you should engage in, the communication hub to have this conversation and to take it to a different level. Any questions, please reach out to the appropriate person, and thank you for your time.